Thank you for choosing Jukad. This guide will help you install your Smart Touch Panel. This is what you'll need. Wire nuts, wires, a voltage tester, wire stripper or pliers, a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and the Smart Touch Panel. Before installation, make sure you turn off the circuit breaker. Failure to do so will result in electric shock. Unscrew the faceplate mounting screws and remove the faceplate. Use the voltage tester to test thoroughly around the light switch. If it does not light up, it means the circuit is not powered and you are ready to start installation. Next, unscrew the old light switch mounting screws and detach it from the junction box. Make sure to check for neutral wire within the junction box. Detach or unscrew wires from the old light switch, then screw wire nuts on those wires. Turn on power from the circuit breaker and test to identify the hotline wire. After identifying the hotline wire, turn off power from the circuit breaker and test thoroughly to make sure there is no current in the wires. Next, open the glass panel using the flathead screwdriver by twisting the screwdriver as shown in the diagram. Check the wiring diagram in the user's manual. The white wire is the neutral wire, the green wire is the ground wire, the black wire is the hotline wire, and the red wire is the load wire. Note that your existing wires may be different colors than those shown in the drawing. Use the labels on the smart switch to connect wires. Next, hook up the provided wires with the wires from the junction box according to the wiring diagram. Secure in the wires into the smart switch. Push the wires and the wire nuts into the junction box and screw on the mounting screws. Snap the glass panel on tightly. Turn on power from the circuit breaker and test the Smart Touch Panel. Congratulations! You've successfully installed your Smart Touch Panel.